So this is a jack and a tool holder. So to install this, we have removed a lot of things. And at the moment, we need to make sure this panel, this side panel must loose enough in order for this jack and tool holder get into the position. We have this cross carpeted panel loose. We have removed like this, and then now we can install this jack and the tool holder into position. Here we can see we have a 3 rod. This is a rod, this is another rod, this is another threaded rod. On this jack and tool holder, so we have 1 hole there, and we have 1 hole, and we have another hole. So this 3 hole, just let the 3 rod get through. So we're going to hold this and try to get this, maneuver this into the position. So now I have used 2 hands to put this into position. As you can see, there's the post here, there's the rod here, and there's the rod here, and also there's the rod over here. And this panel, so this with the speaker, with a PowerPoint, with lashing eye over there, and should be on this, sitting up on here. There's going to be a push pin plug to fix here, and here for this to get in, and for this cross panel there's another fixing point for that post. So we're going to lower that middle points, and we can put the nuts on. So now we have put the nut on. So this is one nut, and there's another one here, and this one holding the cross panel and this tool and jack holder, and another one holding this side of the cross panel. Okay, I forgot another cover. So this cover should be here. It should just like this. So I'm going to remove that nut and put this on, and then the nut on top of this. See the small tab get under there, and then that's it.